Hey guys, Glen Murray, affiliate profit pages. How are you doing? This review is Storm. This is a really cool program, blog builder that's going to tap into a gigantic marketplace, which is Pinterest. So before you go anywhere, make sure you hit subscribe, give a thumbs up. But this is really cool. This is a done for you, completely done for you suite. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through the demo video, kind of give you an idea of what it's about, and then we're going to go into we'll look at the sales page, we'll look at the back office so you can see how easy it is to navigate around there, and sort of where everything is back there, and just sort of then I'll give you my thoughts on it, and we'll talk about the pricing, and we have the demo. We're going to look at my bonuses. Yeah, because if you want to pick this up right now, you're going to get great bonuses, but we can go and talk about them right now. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up. All right, so first thing we're going to talk about is the bonuses. So here's my bonus page. If you click the link below, you're going to be taken here. It's going to give you a little bit more information about this. The first bonus we're giving out is the lockdown formula. This is an incredible course. I did this when it came out. This is just a simple way to learn. It really teaches you the ins and outs of affiliate marketing and how to really start making money online. And this goes hand in hand with Storm. This is going to be a great course to do alongside with Storm. Next, we have Mobily, how to do it. Basically, do it all on your phone here, which is very, very cool. I'm holding my phone up, but I'm not on the picture there. So that's a very cool one. And that's another very, very cool, how to just basically do affiliate marketing all from your phone. Very, very cool. How to build a website for dummies. And why we're putting this bonus in is because basically Storm builds those sites for you. They build complete blogs out for you. But if you understand the basics of a blog, you're going to even be able to make it better. Like, they're going to do a great job, and then you can make it better, and you're going to be able to be even faster at knowing what to do and what not to do, even though it's going to be mostly done for you. You may not need this, but this is a really good course to have. We're also giving you the entire Nova. This is TikTok. This is how to drive a ton of traffic using TikTok. So this is all about the TikTok training. So you're going to get the full access to Nova, but the first 12 hours only. So if you're getting this on the, I think, what's today? The 5th, I believe on September 6th, you'll get it. But if for any reason you don't, message me and I'll see if I can make it available or I can extend the time for you, but you will have to message me. And then the vendor bonuses. There's a ton of vendor bonuses on this. Some exclusive ones that only us JVs get. So you'll want to definitely grab it through my link so you get these. Now, if you decide you don't want anything, scroll right down to the bottom. And right here on this image, I want to give you this free blueprint checklist. I'm using this exact formula, which is the basics of affiliate marketing. And this is what's driving 2, 3, 400 days on one platform alone. So that is pretty cool. So you can just pick that up, just click on it, and you'll get that right there. So next off, we're gonna jump on. Let me jump back on here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump onto we're going to watch the demo video so you understand a bit more of it. If you do want to just pick this up, maybe you've already been doing some research and you go like, Glenn, I want those bonuses. Those are awesome. Then just click the link below, go through to the page. Any of the buttons there will take you to the sales page and you can get it. And then you're good to go. And remember, if you do that, I always recommend getting the unlimited and the done for you. I really recommend on these to get those done, because it really stops you from getting frozen with like, oh, what do I do next? What do I do next? You just go, it's unlimited. I'm going to get them to set it all up for me, and then I'm just going to go from there. As you're watching the training videos, and you can even be setting stuff up, and then they're going to be setting up campaigns in the background. And there's some other really cool OTOs I'll talk about at the end, or you can scroll forward in the video here. There's a couple OTOs that I think you really should take a look at. All right, so let's take a look at the video, and I'll be right back.
Guys, I'm about to reveal to you a controversial breakthrough, which pays us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes for copying and pasting. Blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. I repeat again, blogging plus Pinterest equals cash. Totally simple. And let me show you how Storm can achieve this for you like no other app will ever do for you in 3 very simple to follow steps. Step 1. Build a profitable blog in less than a minute. Guys, would you like to know how you create a blog without all the headache? Well, this is how. Click on the Blog Builder tab and your hot topic into this label and click on Build Blog. And that's it, guys. What Storm is doing is creating a 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. You don't have to worry for domain registration. You don't have to worry for hosting. You don't have to spend hours figuring out what theme and plugins to use. All is done here for you in just a click. Great. Let's log in. And there you have it. A 100% clean, ready to plug and play and ads-free WordPress installation built in with a professional WordPress theme special for profitable blogging, which you would need to pay for by getting access to it anywhere else online. And to make your life a lot easier, we have crafted a profitable template you can use as well to save you a lot of the headache of building a really professional-looking profitable blog in just a click as well. Step 2. Build an engaging pin in just a few clicks. Here inside Storm, we have created a pin engine where you will find everything you need to build a highly engaging and profitable pin to be able to post it to your personal or business Pinterest account without leaving the app. Here you just need to search for trending and profitable pin ideas by keyword, and you will be able to preview and sort them by most saved and most repins, and add them for inspiration to create your own engaging and profitable pins. And here in the image builder, you'll have everything you need to create your pin. Here you can preview your hot pins for inspiration. Here you can add images to your pin. Here you can add text. You can also use drawing, filtering, shapes, and stickers. And once you are done with your design, you simply click on Create Post. Step 3. Post your engaging and profitable pin. Finally, here's where you finish up your campaign. Here you simply tell everyone what your pin is about. Add your title, add a destination link. Here you will preview the image you just created or upload another one if you prefer. Here you decide when to post. As well as if you would like to repost this and how often. And here you can decide in which Pinterest accounts you would like to post, as well as on which boards. And finally, you will finish up your campaign. Guys, this is extremely simple, but really powerful. We made it to be so simple to you, but powerful for marketing. And besides this, we will even train you in every step of the process on how to profit with this from start to finish with a complete over-the-shoulder video training you won't find anywhere else online. So, see you guys inside the training.
So it's pretty powerful, guys. Like if you get this, and I think there's an upsell of 8 of their top campaigns. You get that, you can easily hire a VA for like $5 or $10 to make those for you. Like you wouldn't even have to do that. You just say, I want 5 pins made every day. They make 5 pins for 5 sites, and it just drive and they keep loading up that Pinterest. Like Pinterest is so powerful, guys. I have a Pinterest account that I put all my reviews onto. It drives traffic all the time. It's always driving traffic back to my blogs, back to my videos. It's very, very Pinterest is the silent search engine that is just so amazing. So that's a very, very cool thing. All right, let's go over, excuse me, let's take a look at the we're going to look at the sales page. So we'll take a quick gander at that. It's going to have a bunch of sales plus stuff in it, but one click app pockets us $25 to $50 every 5 minutes. That could be really true, guys. You get AdSense on your blogs, man. Those dollars can really, if you have targeted traffic, it can really add up. AdSense can be a really good thing, and affiliate offers as well. So that's a really, really cool thing there. Look at that. They're giving away 10 iPhone 13s for the first 150 buyers of Storm. Ooh, they're gonna give away 10, so you're gonna be on the draw for that. Zero selling. So if you hate selling, this is basically, you're not selling. So these guys have got probably, it looks like ClickBank products in there for 25, $50, and that's what they're getting there. Yeah, so it's pretty cool program. They've got some testimonials there, and then at the bottom they're going to have some extra bonuses you're going to get along with my bonuses. And then of course we've got some access to some really exclusive bonuses that you're going to get from us. So here's getting everything you need. You get the brand new system, you get the one-click monetization, you get the copy and paste technology, step-by-step training, and the training's all there, guys. Bonuses is Storm Drive. They're going to give you a drive to keep stuff, so you don't need Google or Dropbox or anything like that. They're going to give you an autoresponder. They're going to give you a funnel builder. They're going to give you a YouTube basically a marketing solution for YouTube, and they're going to give you a Facebook marketing suite. And then special bonuses. Oh, what? Choice number. Oh, this is a good thing. Go on the page and read that. So that's it. And then just click here and you'll get it. So let's go over and we'll take a look at the back office. This is it, guys. So the welcome to Storm. There's a whole bunch of tutorials here. The blog builder is very simple. You just click here and it's step 1, add, configure, done. The pin engine, you saw the demonstration of that. Like I said, you could literally get get a virtual assistant doing these for you, and you set up your Pinterest account. So you could just, like, it's so simple, guys. Pinterest is so easy to use, and people love sharing. They tag them, they share them, and that's what you want. So, and then there's upgrades there, there's support. Really basic program, guys, but very, very, very powerful. We'll go and look at the pricing for it. So you're going to be able to pick this up, I believe, $17. Now, like I always say, if you want to get it for a little bit cheaper, scroll off the page, and generally, see if it does it. I think I already nuked the pop-up. See if I can get it to go again. You will oops, still loading. Yeah, it's not gonna, you guys know how to do it, right? You scroll up into the address bar here and you'll get a pop-up window that's going to give you a discount. All right, so the front end is $17. The second one is the unlimited. Now, I always recommend grabbing this, guys. Make sure you pick this up. Like, it's really important. There will probably be a downsell on it. They don't have the numbers listed for the downsell, but this is really important. And so here's how it usually goes. 17, you're probably going to get it for 14. It'll be $3 off. 37, you'll probably get it $10 off. You get it for 27. And here's the done for you guys. You probably get $100 off and get it for $97. Those are the three ones I would get. The next one, this is going to be some 1-hour training. This is limitless traffic, Storm, Diamond, So this is the one I really like, guys, and I bet this downsell is going to be about $67 if you go to scroll off the page. This is your chance to steal my 10 proven done for you profit sites that make me $805 per day. Traffic is built into them and they're 100% automated, allowing you to enjoy passive income. So that is definitely a one I would be seriously considering. If you have the money, that would definitely be considered. The storm reseller, I don't generally get these guys. You can get 100% profit if you're going to resell it, but really you want to be using this as the tool, right? So they've made over, they're claiming they've made over 200,000 with Storm. There's people on Pinterest that are making a ton of money. And then guys, if you want it, you just click this button. It'll take you right to the sales page, and all your special bonuses will all be delivered into the back door there, in where you get where you pick up your receipt. So guys, this has been my review of Storm. A bit of a walkthrough, a demo. My thoughts on it. I really like this. I haven't seen a blog builder that's incorporating Pinterest, and Pinterest is so powerful. It really truly, like, it's just crazy. I use it and I don't even use it to the extent that I should be using, and I still drive traffic to my videos and to my blogs, and I'm barely dabbling in it. So if you were to pick this up, like I said, get serious about it. Go get a VA, get a VA doing it. You could really, I think you could really make some money. Now, I'm not claiming that you're going to make anything, it really comes down to the work ethic. So there's no guarantees or anything like that. But I think if you follow the steps here and do it, there's a good possibility to make some really good money doing using these two things, like posting pins automatically from the system, posting the pins, and having the pins drive the traffic back to the blog where your AdSense is or your affiliate links are. That's all it is, guys. Really simple. And getting affiliate links, guys, you're not going to have to go pay to become an affiliate anywhere. These are going to be free affiliate sites that you're going to be joining, like ClickBank or Warrior Plus or whatever. And those are going to be free, and then you just get get paid commissions on a daily basis from the sales you make. So that's it. So again, this has been Storm Review walkthrough demo, and I hope you do like it. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.